Hello guys, I just wanted to make a quick video about Nothing Year A. It's more of a, not a video about Nothing Year A actually. My bad to begin with. So my earphones, I got it in November 2024, and this headphone was released, earphones was released in 2024 also. Now it's been almost 6 months since I got it. Basically, my earphones charge was dropping quickly. I was not even getting 1 hour of playback. Left earpiece was giving less than 30 minutes of playback, and it was promised to have 9.5 hours maximum playback per earpiece. So I was not getting that. I think it was some battery issue with the earpieces, and this 9.5 hours playback time is without ANC, of course, but I was not getting it, and I got it replaced yesterday, and it was like a seamless process. Basically, I had to go on the Nothing website and check which is the nearest Nothing service center. Then I went there and I told them this was the problem that was happening, and I handed over my defected pair of headphones. They asked me a couple of questions whether it was just for one earphone or one earpiece, or the other one is also having the same problem. Both of them were giving out only combined total of 1 hour or less. So I told them that was the case, and they told me to wait for 15 minutes. They asked me if I had a box with me. Sadly, with the policy of Flipkart's open box delivery, I did not have the box with me because the delivery person ripped the box apart to take the headphone and check it. I told them that was the case, and they actually said it's okay. But I had the USB cable, the extra ear buds, and the booklet and stuff like that, but they said they don't need it because new pair of headphones already had that in the box. So they just gave me this Nothing Ear A, the replacement, and they said, yeah, you can go home. So I got a new pair now. So, and it has no problem as of now. I mean, I never had any sound quality issue with it. ANC also is pretty good. There is transparency mode also. I have tested it out, but again, this is not a review. This is about Nothing service which I'm talking about. So that's it.